Hello everyone. In this video, we are solve a nice elementary high school math question. This question is x square minus y square is equal to 12. Xy is equal to what? Here is x and y is a natural number, and always x plus y is greater than x minus y. Here is two condition. Now at this moment we are solve this nice math question. Solution. Our question, it will be x square minus y square is equal to 12. This is our question. Now we know that a square minus v square, it will be a plus b times a minus b. According to formula, I can say that it will be x plus y times x minus y is equal to 12. Now at this moment, if I find out here is factor, here is 12, so I can say that 12, it will be 12 times 1, and I can say that it will be 1 times 12, and it will be 2 times 6 or 6 times 2. Then I can say that it will be 4 times 3 or 3 times 4. Now our second condition, we know that x plus y is always greater than x minus y. Now at this moment, if I compare, this is always greater than this is x minus y. So it is possible, because of that here is 12 is a big number, and it is not possible, it is rejected. It is rejected also because of that here is 2 is a small number, this is big number, and it is possible, and this is also possible. It is not possible because of that here is 3, this is 4. So we'll find out here is 3 case. First of all, I can see that our first case is x. I take our equation, it will be x plus y times x minus y is equal to, first of all, I take this equation, this value, it will be 12 times 1. Now at this moment, you can see easily here is x plus y is equal to 12, and we'll find out here is x minus y is equal to 1. Now if I add both equation, I can say that x plus x, it will be twice x, y cancel, we will find out it will be 13. I add both equation. Now if I divide both side by 2, we'll find out x is equal to 13 over 2. But remember that x and y is our natural number, but it is a fraction, it is not natural number, so it is rejected. Y also, here is y also is a fraction, so it is rejected. Our need natural number. But others case, we'll find out x plus y times x minus y, it will be 6 times 2. I take this value here at this moment, so I can say here is x plus y times x minus y is equal to 6 times 2. It's okay. Now at this moment, I can say that here is x plus y, it will be 6, and x minus y, it will be 2. Then if I add both equation, I can say that here is twice x, y cancel, and it will be 8. It's okay. 2 plus 6, it will be 8. Now if I divide both side by 2, we'll find out here is x is equal to 4. So we'll find out here is x is equal to 4, and if I subtract both equation, I mean x plus y is equal to 6, x minus y is equal to 2. Now if I subtract, I can see that this cancel, this sign is changed, so y it will be 2y, and it is also 6 minus 2 will be 4. Then if I divide both side by 2, we'll find out y is equal to 2. So I can see that here is x and y, it will be 4 comma 2. Yes. So we'll find out here is a nice answer. It is also natural number. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. In others case, we'll find out here is x plus y times x minus y is equal to 4 times 3. 4 times 3. Now at this moment, you can see that here is x plus y is equal to 4 and x minus y is equal to 3. Now at this point, if I add both equation, so I can say that x plus x, it will be twice x, y cancel, it will be 7. Then x is equal to 7 over 2. Now here is a fraction, it is not natural number, so it is rejected, and if you subtract both equation you also find here is a fraction, so it is rejected. It is not possible, it is not possible in this maths question. So our final answer is xy is equal to 42. This is our final answer. Let's verify. Our question is x square minus y square is equal to 12. This is our question. But at this moment we find out x is equal to 4, so I can say that it will be 4 square, and we'll find out y is equal to 2, it will be 2 to the power 2 is equal to 12. Yes, it is 12. Because of that, 4 to the power 2 it will be 16 minus 2 to the power 2 it will be 4. 16 minus 4, it is always 12. So you can see that our final answer in this maths question, it will be 4 and 2. This is our answer. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye. Take care.